Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is adref, which means home. Adref, as in, dwi'n aros adre heddiw, I'm staying home today. Adref, home.